I thought we were trying to get away from the pond.
Correction. We are trying to keep you away from Finian.
Hey look, here comes that goofy frog guy, Flick.
Hey there, ladies and gents. How fare thee today?
Oh, frog legs.
Somebody get this kitty a steak and cheese sandwich. Hey Flick, I was just about to read today's devotion. Pull up a lily pad. When Eli had first noticed Hannah silently praying in Shiloh, he caustically assumed that she was drunk. But when she told him what was really going on, he quickly backtracked and said, "Go in peace, and the God of Israel grant thee thy petition that thou hast asked of him." Little did he know that meant she would one day be bringing her precious son to the house of the Lord and leaving him there forever to serve. Samuel turned out to be a huge blessing to Eli, and because of that, 1 year there was another exchange between Hannah and him. 1 Samuel 2:20. And Eli blessed Elkanah and his wife and said, "The Lord give thee seed of this woman for the loan which is lent to the Lord." And they went unto their own home. She had left her precious child there at Shiloh. Eli prayed that God would give her even more, and he did. 1 Samuel 2:21. And the Lord visited Hannah so that she conceived and bare 3 sons and 2 daughters. And the child Samuel grew before the Lord. Hannah honored her vow and gave Samuel to the Lord. Her reward was both that she had 5 more children, and that Samuel grew before the Lord. God is not in the habit of being a debtor. Do rest assured that God is aware of everything we give, and in terms of blessings, He always gives more in return.
Hey, those lessons are hoping, Ruffy boy.
What is he even saying?
I'm pretty sure you said I could get a steak and cheese sandwich.
Certainly. Let me just look under my seat. I'm sure there's one hidden away there. Oh, wait. No, it is a single solitary sock. But hey, it has a steak and cheese sandwiches printed on it. Have a blessed day, folks.